today we're not really going anywhere. We're just at our apartment pool. We kind of just wanted to give you guys an update of what we're actually somewhat planning on doing, especially with the current situation that travel is kind of like up in the air. So we have an idea of what we're going to do for June. We don't have an idea of what we're going to do after that.
Well, we don't really have an idea what we're going to do for June.
Actually, that's true.
So this is my last week on day shift, and then I move to night shift, and I'll actually have like 5 days off in a row. So we're trying to figure out where we can go and what we can do, since most places are still closed.
Some countries and cities in Europe are supposed to open up their borders on June 15th. So our idea was to go to France. Where else? I don't remember the whole list that we went through. Amsterdam was one, but we were reading through and we're not quite sure exactly how they're planning on reopening the whole country or city at least.
Yeah, because it sounds like France as a whole is opening, but Paris is not really opening, and that's where we would fly into. So we're not really sure how things would be if we went there, or if we'd even be able to do anything when we got there. So everything's just kind of up in the air.
So yeah, things are kind of up in the air, and we don't exactly know what we're gonna do as far as traveling.
So one of our other plans was to go to the Great Smoky Mountains and kind of explore Pigeon Forge. They have a lot of like cool things to do there. Lots of like mountain coasters and dinner shows. So we thought that would be kind of cool, and just hiking in the Great Smoky Mountains. But cabins are also like super expensive there, so we're not exactly sure on that one. And then I was looking and I saw that Las Vegas is actually opening back up in a couple weeks. And
so there is a possibility that we might go to Vegas.
Maybe. We'll see.
So yeah, that's the plan. But for today, we're at the pool,
and there's no one here.
Literally nobody here. So I think we're gonna take a dive and enjoy today. All right. We've been in the pool for about 45 minutes, right? An hour. So we're gonna sit in one of these chairs. Right. Melanie's already kind of chilling. I'm just kind of I'm in here, but it's all good. I'm getting up. I'm not gonna break no camera. So she's concerned about me getting the camera wet.
It was like 3 inches from the water.
Anyways, we're kind of just chilling outside, or outside of the pool, I should say. I mean, we've been outside.
Also, the guys, what do you think of his haircut? I did it myself.
Okay. Anyways, we're gonna chill here and go back to the apartment here in like probably 40 minutes. Maybe less, most likely less. But yeah, we're...
Head upstairs to go get coffee, because they have some really local coffee here called Frothy Monkey. If you're in the Nashville area, there's a couple of locations, so go check it out. But we're gonna go grab some and then head back over to our apartment.
Alrighty, so we're back at our apartment, and Melanie's taking a shower. I'm gonna take a shower after, and then we're gonna eat something, and I don't know what we're gonna do afterwards. Hi, Papa. Hi, Papa. Hi. Hi. You wanna say hi? No? You wanna say hi? Hi.
Okay, I don't know if y'all have heard of an air fryer, but it's like my favorite tool to use. It's this ginormous thing. And you basically like need no oil to cook your food, so I love using it. So I'm about to cook us lunch in it. Okay, so we're gonna have some of the Kroger crunchy popcorn shrimp, the rest of this honey barbecue, some Brazilian cheese bread, and then I'm gonna cut up some salad and we'll have that with this. So kind of unhealthy, kind of healthy. But I'm gonna make all 3 of these in the air fryer. Okay, well, Paolo is taking a shower, but I'm gonna go ahead and eat because this looks good and it's hot.
And now I finally get to eat. I just showered. Ready? I am done eating, and now I have no clue what we're doing.
Okay, and we have gotten freshened up. We spent a little time in the apartment, ate. And now we're gonna go to a farmer's market that's just right up north of Nashville.
Because of cultural respects of the people here, I didn't record much. We're back in the car.
They had my ancestors. They had Amish people there, and my great grand family was Amish in Switzerland. And then they moved to Pennsylvania. So I'm a big fan of the Amish people. But yeah, gotta respect them. They don't do electrical stuff, so camera was not an option.
Alrighty, so we decided to come and visit one of the most famous parks here in Nashville. Just kidding. But there is a bridge that is very famous, and or at least here in Nashville.
And the park is called Twin Rivers Park, if you want to come to it. This leads to the Shelby Bottom.
Yeah, that's what it
Park,
is. Yep.
Which we went to before.
We're gonna walk under the street and highway and get to the other side of this.
The bridge, we're just enjoying watching the river flow right now, and probably get some time lapses of the river, then call it a day. Within a matter of seconds, it got very windy and started raining. It's about to pour, so we're gonna head back to the car now. It is pouring down right now, but we really enjoyed going to the bridge, and we're gonna end this video here. We hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for the next vlog.